In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can open up the estate builder here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. Bro, that is the worst drive I've ever seen in my life. Are we serious? And of course, before we do get into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But first things first, go ahead and open up your settings menu. And then you need to open up the map itself and find the estate builder location. If you're just looking at your map right now, and you can go to a bunch of different locations for this, you just essentially need to find an area that, of course, you own a house. Now, it has to be one specifically with estate builder. I know there's one up in this specific location, kind of over here. But you need to make your way to that house, and then you need to go ahead and select estate builder. And inside of the editor, you could start customizing your estate. You can open up the prop library. You can press the menu and options button or controller or tab on your keyboard to do this. And then from here, choose whatever props it is that you want to place around your estate. You can also move around the area, highlight objects, use controls, and all the controls are shown on the left-hand side of the screen. Just keep an eye on the prop limit because you can only place a certain amount of props every single time. Then from here, you can name your layout, of course, choose a description, tag, stuff like that. If you want to share the estate as well, it's completely up to you. That's going to be the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. Just once again, make your way over to any of the player bought houses that have estate builder location props on them. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. And of course, make sure to leave a comment if you had any questions and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.